Salve discipuli. This is Help for Your Latin Studies in Henle First Year Latin, exercise number 234. In this exercise, all we simply have to do is add the proper form of the verb sum to these sentences that are using that participle, that fourth principal part of the verb, to put it in the in the perfect tense passive voice. All right, so we're given a couple clues with the subject and the participle, and we need to figure out which form of sum is correct to put with those words. So the first one, they go very easy on you because this should look very familiar from the previous exercise, number 233. So just test yourself here. Number one, it says, you have been praised. And it gives you the words vos laudati. So it gives you that subject pronoun vos, which is a second person plural, y'all, right? You all is your subject, or you plural is your subject. And then laudati, this is your participle. And notice that it agrees, that its ending will make it agree with that subject pronoun in number, gender, number, and case, okay? So again, with you all, unless you know it's a group of girls, go with the masculine form. It's plural, right? And so we want to use the plural ending, and of course it's our subject, so we want it to have that nominative ending, that nominative case. So that makes sense. We have vos laudati, and here that is, as a second person plural. Now the question is, which form of sum expresses second person plural? And that's right here. First, second plural is estis. So there's your answer, estis. Vos laudati estis is the correct translation there, Latin. All right, so let's look at number two. They have been conquered. Again, we have a subject pronoun, they, which often gets absorbed. Sometimes that gets absorbed into the verb, or verbal in this case, right? And so we see victi. That's the only thing given to us, victi, which means, they conquered. It's a plural ending, third person plural, and we can assume again they to be masculine. So victi, and then we want to partner that with a form of sum that makes sense. Well, they is third person plural, right? So we want the third person plural form of sum. Sum est, sumus estis sunt. So we could translate that sentence, they have been conquered, as victi sunt. And that's the form of sum that we want. So do that with all the rest of these. Go through and read the English and look at the clues given to you in Latin with that subject and participle, so that you can figure out correctly which form of sum would accompany the sentence. I hope this has been helpful to you. Have a great day.